In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ConvertKit to deliver a lead magnet. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your lead magnet connected to a form or landing page so that new subscribers automatically receive your free download or resource. Let's start inside your ConvertKit account. Once you're logged in, look up at the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Find the tab labeled Grow and click on it. In the drop-down that appears, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your sign-up forms and landing pages live, and it's exactly where you'll connect your lead magnet. On this page, you have two choices. You can create something new, or you can attach your lead magnet to something you've already built. To start from scratch, click the Create New button and choose either a landing page or a form, then set it up as you normally would. If you already have a form or landing page you want to use, simply hover over its card, click the More Options icon, and then select Edit. In this tutorial, we'll work with an existing one, since the process is the same either way. Once you're inside the editor, look toward the top right corner and click on Settings. This opens a pop-up window with several options in a sidebar on the left. In that sidebar, click on Incentive. This is the section that controls what happens after someone signs up and how they receive your lead magnet. First, make sure that Send Incentive Email is turned on. This email is usually a confirmation email that also delivers your lead magnet. Below that, you'll see the After Confirming Redirect To section. Here you can choose between URL or download. If you select URL, this is useful when your lead magnet is hosted on a web page. Paste the full link to that page, such as a thank you page or a page where they can access the resource. If you choose download, you'll upload the actual file you want to send, like a PDF or ebook. Click Choose a File, and a file browser window will open from your computer. Locate your lead magnet file, select it, then click Open or press Enter. ConvertKit will upload the file and attach it to your incentive email. When you're done, click Save in the pop-up. To finish everything off, look again to the top right of the editor and click Save and Publish. This makes your changes live, so anyone who signs up through that form or landing page will automatically receive your lead magnet through the incentive email and redirect you. Just set up.